Let's learn about the future technologies. Let's learn about the future. Welcome to Hyperfocused Engineer.
Here's a secret that makes ChatGPT way less mysterious. Every sentence it writes one word at a time, and each word is just a guess at what comes next. The cat sat on the, and it guesses Matt. Then it adds Matt, reads the whole thing again and guesses the next word. And again. And again. That's the entire trick. ChatGPT is autocomplete. But autocomplete that read almost everything ever written and got shockingly good at the guess. The machine that makes that guess is called a transformer. Today we open it up and see exactly how it works, using pieces you already know. No math degree. I promise. Let's snap together what we've built in this series. A transformer reads your text in 3 quick moves. Move 1, it chops the text into tokens, little chunks, not letters. Move 2, it turns each token into an embedding, a dot on a giant map of meaning, where similar words sit close together. Move 3, attention lets every word look at every other word and pull in context, so no word is left clueless about the ones around it. Tokens, embeddings, attention, that's the raw material. Now the transformer has one job. Take those context-rich words and turn them into a really good guess at the next one. Here's the heart of the whole thing, and it's only 2 steps. Step 1 is attention. Every word gathers context from all the other words. We just learned that one. Step 2 is new. Each word takes everything it gathered and thinks about it quietly on its own. This thinking is a small network that asks, okay, given all of that, what does this word really add up to? So the pattern is, gather, then think. Attention mixes the words together. The thinking step lets each word digest the mix and sharpen up. Those 2 steps, side by side, are called a transformer block. And here's the key move. You don't run it just once. You take that block, gather, think, and you stack it over and over dozens of times, one on top of the next. That stacking is literally what the deep in deep learning means. Lots of layers. And watch what happens as you climb the stack. The bottom layers pick up the simple stuff, grammar, which word pairs with which. The middle layers start catching meaning, who did what to whom. The top layers see the big picture, the tone, the intent, where the sentence is headed. Each layer hands a richer understanding up to the next one, like a rough draft passed to better and better editors. By the time you reach the top, the machine genuinely understands what it's reading. Here's the payoff. After all those layers of understanding, the transformer looks at the last word and asks the only question it ever really asks. What comes next? It scores every single word in its vocabulary. The cat sat on the, gives Matt 60%, floor 20, roof 5, and so on, and it picks one. That picking step is sampling, which we covered last time. Then, and this is the loop. It adds that new word to the sentence and does the entire thing over again, start to finish, to get the word after that. Read everything, guess the next word, add it, repeat. That loop, running in a fraction of a second, is how ChatGPT writes every single sentence you've ever seen it write. So why did this one design beat everything else and end up inside every AI you've heard of? 3 superpowers. 1, it's parallel. Because attention looks at all the words at once, you can train a transformer on a mountain of text blazingly fast, instead of crawling word by word like older models did. 2, it scales. Add more layers, feed it more data, and it just keeps getting smarter, with no ceiling anyone has hit yet. 3, it's general. The very same machine that writes a poem also writes code, answers questions, and translates French. 1 architecture, endless jobs. Fast, scalable, general. That combination is the whole reason the world runs on transformers. Screenshot this one. A transformer front to back. 1, chop the text into tokens, turn each into an embedding. 2, a transformer block does 2 things, attention gathers context, then each word thinks about it. 3, stack that block many times, the bottom learns grammar, the top learns meaning. 4, at the end, guess the next word, add it, and repeat the whole loop. Do that at massive scale, and you have ChatGPT, Claude, and every model like them. The entire miracle boils down to one line. Understand deeply, then guess the next word over and over and over. Want to actually build a transformer? Andrej Karpathy's Let's Build GPT walks you through coding a tiny one from scratch, line by line. Genuinely the best few hours you can spend on this. 3 Blue 1 Brown has a stunning visual version of the same machine. And Stanford's CS224N is the full university course. Online for free, just search it. Pick one and build a small one with your own hands. Nothing makes it click like watching a transformer you wrote finish its first sentence. That's the engine behind modern AI, start to finish. Next, we put it to work on real things. Subscribe and let's keep going.